The mouse pointer, I could turn that on and off if I want it to be a mouse pointer or not. Here is a pen, so if I want to draw on my screen while I'm talking, I can draw on my screen while I'm talking. I can point out certain things that I want students to pay attention to. I can underline different things on my screen. And whenever I'm finished with that, if I don't want the drawing up here anymore, and notice how here I can change the color of the pen. And it's just very, like as soon as you go down there, it will bring up the menu for you. So it's pretty seamless. As you're talking, you don't have to stop and try to figure out what exactly you want and take the time to do that. Like it's very intuitive. You can just, you know, make your selections very quickly as you're talking and keep moving with the recording. There's an eraser here. So if I want to get rid of all this drawing, I can get rid of all this drawing. And it's recording me while I'm doing this. So this will show up in the finished recording whenever it's over. But that eraser option is there in case you mess up. So those are all, I could wipe the whole screen clear if I wanted to get everything clear. So that's a neat little tool there. But all of those drawing tools are there as options for you. And if you don't want to see them, you can hide them all and then they'll be gone. So that's a little demonstration of the drawing tools. Whenever I'm finished with the recording, there are two ways that I could stop the recording. If I had my drawing tools up here again, I could hit the stop button and it'll stop the recording. But if I don't have that there, I could just come right back up to my Chrome extension. I can click on Screencastify. Notice how it tells me I'm being recorded right now. It tells me my recording length. And here too, I can pause and restart if I want, but I can also hit this stop button and it'll stop the recording. Notice how, like I had the settings set to automatically pop up my video whenever I was done. So that's what you're seeing here. It's automatically going to start playing back to me what I have created so that I could review it. Up here, what you saw is that it started saving to my Google Drive. It's already saved in Google Drive, just in that short kind of 3-second time frame here. And I have the option to share the link to my video right away. There are other options that I have to share. If I have a website or a blog, I can get the embed code to this video. I can share this video straight to Google Classroom right from here, which is quite a useful feature. So I could choose the class that I want to share it to, and then it'll pop up and give me the option to create a post right in the Google Classroom that I want to share it in. I could publish it to YouTube, send it in an email, generate a QR code, or I can download the file to my computer. So, I mean, it's so slick. Once you get used to using it, you click a button, you start recording, you say what you need to say, and whenever you're finished, it automatically goes into a Google Drive and automatically gives you a shareable link. So you don't have a lot of fumbling around of where did my video go, what can I do with it. In regards to that comment too, I can go to more options here and I can hit view in Google Drive. And the video is still processing. It takes a couple minutes to actually see it in Google Drive. But right now it's just in a Screencastify folder. If I go up here to more actions, I can organize and I can pick, if I don't want it in this Screencastify folder, I could put it in any one of my folders that I want it to go in. So I can organize it very quickly here as well. Couple other things that I want to show you very quickly. I'm trying to look at the time here so that I don't go over. I have a little bit of time. There's an option here to open in a video editor. So if I click on that, the editor is going to fire up and it's going to take this recording that I just made and it's going to enable me to make some edits to it. So let's say that right at the end of my video, I I said some things that were a little confusing. It really just took away from the quality of the video. So I can place my cursor here right at 3 minutes and 40 seconds. And I can hit this cut. And notice how it took out the last, however many seconds of my video. I could click on this section, see how it's all in blue highlighted around it. And I can hit the delete button. And then I can get rid of the end of that video if I made a mistake. You could really play around with the editing here. There are so many different things you could do. You could cut a video in the middle of it. You can crop it. If I cut it and I decide I want to move this section of the video forward and kind of switch the organization of it, I can. This blue button right here will allow me to add a video clip. So if there are two videos that I want to splice together, I can go ahead and grab those videos from my Google Drive, or I can upload them from my computer. You can edit other videos in here besides Screencastify videos. Just the other day, I edited a Zoom recording from a session I did like this, and I just went here to this blue button and uploaded that file from my computer. So the editor, again, it works with your Screencastify videos or with other videos that you have. I mean, if you wanted to put together some kind of compilation from YouTube from your students, you could use the video editor to do that. So that's a neat little tool within Screencastify as well.